Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make a Christmas ugly hoodie. So I already have my large, medium and small hoodie, and as you can see it's already been tied up. And if you want to see how I tied it up, you can click the link below to see my previous video of how I tied up my hoodies. So to make this Christmas ugly hoodie, I have here my red dye. So we're gonna color up this hoodie and then let's get started. Alright guys, I'm done dyeing up these hoodies, and then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna wrap this with a clean wrap, and then we'll wait for 24 hours to find out what's the result of this one. Alright, stay tuned. So this is it. I already wrapped it, and then we'll wait for 24 hours and see you tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and after 24 hours, here's my red Christmas ugly hoodie. So what we're going to do today is we're gonna rinse it, and then we're gonna wash it and let it dry hanging. And then after that, I'm going to put a Christmas design, and I'm gonna show you the finished product once everything is done. Alright guys, stay tuned. So welcome back guys, my hoodies are already dried up, and the picture that I'm going to put on my Christmas ugly hoodie is this, the Grinch. See that? So this is the design that I'm going to put on the hoodie, and I'm gonna show you after, and I'm excited to show you the finished product. Okay, are you ready guys? Let's go! So here it is, my finished product. And they are available for small, medium and large. And this one, the Grinch. And yes, I love the color and the design. So guys, don't forget to leave a comment if you like this project that I make, the Christmas ugly hoodie with my Grinch print. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like my Christmas ugly hoodie with the color red and the print of Grinch. Alright guys, please stand by for my part 2 of this video. I'm going to make the green tie-dye hoodie. Alright, see you!